tell whether you should use made from or made of is that if the process can be reversed and you can take the object apart and you still have the original materials, then you should use. Hey there guys, how has your day been? My name is Catalin, and I'm sure you know that English is full of super confusing phrases that trip up English learners and native English speakers all the time. And this could not be more true for the phrases made from, made of, made out of, made up of, and made with. All of these extremely similar phrases have different meanings. Yes, I'm so sorry you guys, English can sometimes be super frustrating. But you don't need to feel confused because I'm here today to help you figure out what the difference is between these and how you use them. So let's dive straight into it. Let's start with made from. When we say that something is made from something, we're talking about the material that has been used to make that thing, especially when the material makes a special change or transformation from its original form. For example, this cheese is made from goat's milk. Another example, paper is made from wood. To become paper, wood is turned into pulp and dried to become paper. The wood goes through a special process, a special change to become the paper. Next up is made of. We also use made of to talk about the material that has been used to make that thing. But when we use made of, the material didn't go through any special change or transformation to make the final product. For example, this table is made of wood. All that we did to the wood to make the table was cut it up and stick it together. This doesn't count as a transformation because the wood is still wood. A helpful tip to tell whether you should use made from or made of is that if the process can be reversed and you can take the object apart and you still have the original materials, then you should use made of. If the process can't be reversed, you can't get back the original materials, then you should use made from. Our next one is made out of. Made out of is used when something has been transformed in a surprising or unusual way. We especially use this one when something has been recycled or reused as something else that it isn't normally used for. For example, this sculpture is made out of glass bottles. The glass bottles have been transformed and reused into a sculpture. Another example, she was wearing a hat made out of balloons. Balloons are not normally used to make hats, so this is a surprising or unusual transformation of balloons into a hat. There are some times that we can use made out of and made of interchangeably. So if you're unsure which one to use or you're just feeling lazy, you can use made of in all situations and it will still make sense. Saying this sculpture is made of glass bottles is still correct, but it doesn't sound as nice as saying this sculpture is made out of glass bottles. And our next one is very similar to made out of. It is made up of. Made up of should be used when you're talking about the components or separate parts that something is made from. For example, computers are made up of many different electrical parts. And our very last one is made with. We most often use made with when we're talking about a specific ingredient of some food or drink. For example, this chocolate is made with the finest Arabian cocoa. Arabian cocoa is a specific ingredient, so we use made with. You could also say that something was made with a feeling. For example, this cake was made with love. But that's the end of this lesson. If you found it helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to check me out on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you guys later. Bye!